Pardon my candor, navigating directness in conversation. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a very intriguing English phrase, pardon my candor. This phrase can be quite powerful in conversations, but it's essential to understand when and how to use it properly. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Pardon my candor is a phrase you might come across in English conversations, especially in contexts where someone is about to express a truth or opinion that might be blunt or direct. Candor refers to the quality of being open, honest, and straightforward. So, when someone says, pardon my candor, they're essentially seeking forgiveness in advance for being so direct. This phrase is particularly useful in formal settings or when you want to maintain politeness while addressing something sensitive. It acts as a softener, indicating that you are aware of the potential impact of your words and are trying to minimize any offense. Here's how you might use it. 1. Before providing constructive criticism, pardon my candor, but I think there might be another way to approach this problem. 2. When sharing a personal opinion that might be controversial, pardon my candor, but I don't agree with the decision made in the meeting. It's crucial to understand the cultural context when using phrases like, pardon my candor. In some cultures, being direct is appreciated and seen as a sign of honesty. In others, it might be considered rude or insensitive. Therefore, it's not just about the words but also about knowing your audience and the appropriate situation to use such phrases. If you feel that, pardon my candor, doesn't fit the context or your personal style, there are alternatives you can use. 1. I hope you don't mind me saying this, but. 2. I don't mean to be blunt, but. 3. May I speak frankly? These phrases serve a similar purpose but might suit different contexts or personal preferences better. Pardon my candor is a versatile phrase that, when used appropriately, can enhance your communication, especially in sensitive or formal situations. Remember, it's not just about the words you choose. It's also about understanding the cultural context and the comfort level of your audience. We hope this video helps you navigate your conversations with confidence and clarity. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.